Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can change the Air Command shortcuts menu on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And on the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on advanced features. In here, you want to go down and tap on S Pen. Then we go down and then we're going to tap on shortcuts in the Air Command section, and in here is the shortcuts menu. And if you want to remove an item, so you can tap on the delete button and that will move an item away from the menu and move back into your S Pen features section over here. Now if you want to add an item to the menu, for example coloring, you can tap on it and it will add it to the shortcut menu over here. And here I'll choose Write to Calendar. You got magnifier, glance, Bixby Vision. You can swipe down for more, so you can add apps to the Air Command shortcut menu as well. And here we can choose calculator. There's quite a lot of things that you can add to the menu. Now you probably don't want to add too many, otherwise it will become full and clutter with items you might not need. And that's it. So now if we open up the Air Command shortcut over here, you can see we have added some items in here. Coloring, AI Doodle, Write on Calendar, and that's it. And that's how you can make changes to the Air Command menu over here. Finally, you can just tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.